Let's change our custom keyboard shortcuts. To do that, go over here under the edit and click keyboard shortcuts, or go Ctrl Alt and K. And over here you will see your shortcuts. You can see over here on the top left corner that you have presets. I'm right now in the custom preset because I already changed my shortcuts. I'll show you how. For example, and if I type in select, I will see everything that is related with selections. Or you can go and press, for example, V, and it will show you the V shortcut that you want to change. This in our case is a selection tool. To do that, just type in over here and press T and delete the V with this little X button and click OK, and you will have your new shortcut over here. You can change it also if you drag and drop your key over to the T key, and it will automatically assign the selection tool. Also, you can change by clicking this control, and now we will have this modifier tool, so we can change it by dragging and dropping to the T, so it will write down Control T. This works with the Shift, so you can go with the Shift Y and so on and so on. Okay, you can save your presets over here with Save As. You can copy it to the clipboard, and when you are done, just hit OK, and everything is set up and done. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Bye bye.